Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to edit footer in WordPress website. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing we're going to do is to look for the page or the specific part we would like to modify our footer in our WordPress. So over here, I'm going to check on my pages over here, and let's add a new page, just like this. When you add a new page in WordPress, of course, it's going to generate an entirely new thing over here. So let's wait for a few seconds for it to load. Now, editing the footer is very simple. You're simply going to select the area of the footer. Now, we all know where the footer is all about. And over here, let's optionally select a random one over here. If you go down to the bottom, as you can see, this is the section of our footer, the bottommost part of a website. Although in this option, we will be able to add additional blocks. But for the footer, we could check over here on the left side. Maybe let's say you want to put on the very last part of your website, like a quote, I guess. You could simply drag and drop over here, and you will be able to add a footer block over here at the bottom. So whatever block that is at the bottommost part of your website will be automatically become the footer of your entire website. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.